Welcome to the channel. Hopefully y'all remember this thing. Haven sent it about 50 foot last time we made a video with it. Well, today we're gonna get it running and hopefully window the motor. So y'all stay tuned. That thing's insane, right?
Well, it is from China.
Yeah, it is a pumpster.
Is the subframe big?
Everything.
Everything's bent.
All of it.
With a real plastic.
This
This unit right here won't crank to blow up. We'll just have to blow this one off.
Holy shit. Dude, there's all kinds of oil under this thing. Give them a look. Give them a look. Look at that. Is there still a hole in the motor?
There's definitely. I mean, I had a JB weld all this right here.
I forgot there was a hole in there.
Oh my God, we did a good job. We did a good job. I mean, you can't even tell. Like, hey, if y'all want to buy this before we blow it up, like it's $700.
Dude, this thing ain't worth sending a text message on.
Dude, look at this. Even's got a custom leaf from the shred ground crew. We'll signaturize it before we send it, I promise. We just pulled this piece of crap off, and come to figure out, there's no bolts. Straight up looks like there's rivets holding that thing together. So we're just gonna put it back in there and hope starter fluid does it.
I need me a new rivet gun. I heard Milwaukee like the new
Milwaukee is junk.
Dude, we should have just hit the starting fluid.
Hey, what's the Harbor Freight brand?
Roku.
To be fair, Corbin's the only one that likes DeWalt. We're all
Dude, DeWalt.
Milwaukee guys.
Well, dude, you get a daggone piece of Milwaukee on a contracting site.
You got a free DeWalt drill. That's not for a reason. He didn't want it.
Yeah.
Make sure you get the front fender. And oh, dude, that noise.
Get the wheel, bro. No, not the tire.
Get the number plate.
This thing's gonna look like a brand new bike, huh?
Get Hayden's face. Look at the bird shit on it. Bird poopy.
And the brand new.
You're getting all over me.
Oh, I'm gonna get that.
You want me to get it back?
Touch it.
No.
Touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
How much? Hey,
20,000 likes.
no. Let's be reasonable here. 5,000. No. Heck no. 5,000 likes, and I'll lick at bird poop. I will.
Show us what you're gonna do to it.
No. Alright, we're getting this thing back together. Diggy's a horrible mechanic. I had the carburetor hooked up wrong. And, but we're gonna get it back together. Put a shot of nitrous to it. But we're gonna have it running and we're gonna blow this thing slap up. Like this whole back of this motor right here, you're gonna be able to stick a basketball through it. So,
Well, we hope it's even gonna run.
yeah, we hope it's gonna
Do
run.
everything.
It's not running in what? 6 months?
Probably.
5-6 months. But hopefully we'll get it running.
Let me get a whiff. Get away from that nasty crab, dude.
No, dude.
Yeah, it smells like ass.
It smells like butt, Corey.
But
Smells like you.
Smells like
what is on the bottom of that?
Oh, ugh.
Oh, look at the thing. That's a parts washer.
Open the vent.
Now this thing don't deserve a full tank now.
I know.
Might leak out on my leg or something.
So who's getting the true? Is it Haven riding it or is Corbin riding it?
We're both riding.
I thought we were just putting it on a stand and taping it.
We'll crank it up and just tape the throttle and
Well, me and
see
Hayden
how long
might
it'll
take it
run.
down the road wide open one
Get-
time.
get
Just
a-
me and Hayden.
I ain't even sure it's gonna run.
You want to get on?
Oh, I don't want to ride it.
Why not, Mason?
I'm okay.
Put the gas cap behind this.
Corbin, what you doing?
We going to the store? No, we're going out here. We're going to get some oil and some octane booster.
Slide over, fat boy.
Dude, my truck's a mess.
Holy.
He is.
Holy days.
Dude, we're going to pack in here like sardines.
I'm gonna pack you up, sir.
Whoa! I know y'all heard that. I know y'all
I
heard
didn't know
that.
he was recording it.
Dude. Emmy? That little Emmy? Local corner store.
Can I hold a dollar?
I took the last one, Corbin.
Huh?
Took the last one.
No. Freaking my car. I got 2 Red Bulls. This damn SSR is about to rip. Put some oil in this thing. Look at this, dude. Our local corner store gave us a freaking funnel. I mean, that is daggone sick. That's actually like an icy cup or something, if I had to
We
guess.
just checked back, so it does have a small lifter tick. But runs good.
I was like, where'd that come from? Alright, we about to do a little oil pour. Oil pour. Oh, dude, that's fresh. That's what a good night sounds like right there.
Runs great, no issues. Does have a small lifter tick.
Dude's over here talking about lifter ticks, and we're over here trying to pour oil. I mean, listen to this. I don't know what about that.
Wait. Did we turn the gas back on?
I don't think we did.
No, we did not.
I'm good.
They said it's too cold to be drinking a slushie.
Talking for. Alright, now get rid of him.
Come on, girl. Yeah. Oh. Alright, fellas, we had a little unexpected turn to the video. Corbin, what is going on?
Someone took a shit on me. Turn of events.
This is night shut.
Well, it looks like it, so I'd say it probably smells like it.
Look at that. That's fresh.
Alright, folks, we're gonna try and fire this unit up.
She cranks for holding it wide, zip pound throttle, till she blows.
This one don't fit around that.
Put 2 together, hurry.
That was her. Dude, I know the neighbors hate us.
I was kind of hoping the exhaust would
You think?
Everyone was in there trying to take a Sunday nap. And I'm like, man.
Well, she still runs, but she ain't want to stay running, so.
Well, it's the next day, and one, we ran out of daylight, and two,
It just wouldn't blow up.
it won't blow up.
I think we had it, like 6 minutes total?
Yeah, we got about 6 minutes total worth of video that of it not blowing up and it just off the limiter. So, yeah, we're going to speed it up with that. Yeah, that belongs in a drag car. And it's
What
going on
is in that bottle?
a little bit of nitrous. And it's probably, I don't know if there's going to be a piece of metal on this motor, to be honest. But I hope it revs up like 500,000 RPMs and just blows a hole in the ground, like a meteor hit. I mean, it's going to be insane. I think it's going to be crazy. We're going to wire it up somehow. It's going to be good. Y'all might want to stay tuned. Oh, yeah. By the way, this ain't a 100 shot. This is all the shot. This is about it. It's insane.
So we're trying to get everything hooked up. I think all we're gonna do is figure out how to zip tie the end somewhere right in the carb. So she'll be a straight shot.
100,000 views and I'll put the whole can in my car.
As we said, this thing does not hold oil. So, second quart. It literally has no oil in it.
We also got nitrous line fed in there.
It's probably leaking as we speak.
We're gonna die.
That GoPro there might die. But I think we'll be all right.
Rod straight through the door.
We'll test run right here to make sure everything looks right. I would say that's gonna work.
That throws my toes.
I think the goal is to separate this part from this part. What do y'all think?
I think it's probably just.
Or y'all just want the whole motor just to shatter?
Well, I just want the whole bike blow apart. Like, I don't want a single bolt on it.
That stuff don't smell good.
Look at the oil.
I don't think it's supposed to smell good.
I thought it was supposed to smell like blueberries.
Look at how much oil it's already leaking.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, we gotta hurry.
Hey, let's go. This ain't gonna be our oil.
Fucking sitting right here.
Getting ready for round two.
I've never seen a bike turn this.
So we ain't got the optimal filming conditions today.
I think you'll be better off.
Oh, yeah. Figured out they're tearing the church down outside the shop. So we got us a light, though. You look like you just woke up. We got the GoPro set up.
Better lay this shit too.
We hope it's going to crank. If not, we're going to be disappointed and cry ourselves to sleep tonight.
I've got faith in the old.
Heartbroken.
Heartbroken. So let's hope she cranks.
Give her a squirt, brother.
We're going to kick on it, and we'll get her cranked. We'll pick y'all back up. Yeah, Brett.
We'll just go have to regularly do it.
She definitely blew up that time.
There's no denying that one.
Sound like it broke the rod.
It is gone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's done. Let's go.
Dude, this thing should not have lasted this long.
What was that last bit?
It either broke the...
No, the last video was almost 4 minutes
Let's get a sound clip of it. Oh, yeah.
There she is.
That rod's definitely going.
Broke rod. If it just starts back.
Dude, I'd be honest, I'd probably purchase a brand new one of these off of Amazon.
Yeah, I think we need to sell the
I
Hondas.
think we're gonna buy them.
We doing Jeeble.
I'll tear this thing apart. Let's see what's wrong with it now.
I'll let you guys know how it goes. See what was actually wrong with her.
Well, this bolt's cross-threaded.
Yeah.
First one.
So the boys got the motor unbolted, the head unbolted, so we're about to take it off. Everything looks normal so far. Oh, well, yeah, I retake my statement.
That's what you call. God. Was my guess wrong? Dadgummit.
Oh, it broke off the piston, didn't it?
Yeah. I said the rod broke. Dad, blame it. Look at that.
Really at all that bad.
Huh?
I know, Tyler, I know it's got a gouge in it, but other than that, it's not that bad. I mean, it's pretty. I don't know, there is a chunk missing out of the sleeve. Oh, yeah. Didn't notice that. Believe it or not, the crank seems to be pretty solid.
Give her a...
How's the rod look? What's your finger?
The head is broke.
The head is done.
Forged and polished pistons.
But I mean, the head, top end rebuild, I think she'd run again. What do you think?
I think we're not doing it.
The can's messed up.
Big bore kid.
See if I can get it out.
That's it for that one. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Tune in for the next video. We're gonna pump out some more content for you. Hopefully it'll be better. We just got a new camera. So we'll see
Be
y'all
on the
on the next one.
lookout for some podcasts coming your way. It's coming.
Soon. It's gonna be pretty rough.
It's coming, dude.
Yeah, don't hate us too bad because we're still learning. But
And I'll tell you, it's going to be the podcast of a century. It's going to be a good one. But guys, as always, show us some love. Click that notification bell. Subscribe. As always, we'll see you in the next one. Peace!